Welcome to Miss Suman's SG classes. We're gonna learn how to blend the middle sound of E. E makes the sound of eh, eh, eh. When we say A makes a big eh. When we talk about E makes a little eh, eh. Let's get started. B, eh, be, B-E, b, eh, be, k, eh, ke, d, eh, de. Sometimes it might look that d, eh, de. Why do we need de? There are some words like, if I write down like this, d, eh, de, den. That is why we try and we join the sounds for all the words. We try and use all the different letters and learn how to blend the two sounds. F, eh, fe, g, eh, ge, h, eh, he, eh, me, eh, ne, p, eh, pe, r, eh, re, s, eh, se, t, eh, te. Once we are here, we will try and randomly pick a few boxes and see how we are doing before we go to the next slide. Let's try this one. G, eh, ge, p, eh, pe, fe, be, se. Great job. Let's see the next slide. Be, t, bet, be, ben, ve, t, vet, be, g, beg, ge, t, get, je, t, jet, me, t, met, ne, t, net, pe, t, pet, re, t, ret, se, t, set, me, men. Always keep it in mind, the sound of E is eh, short eh. It is not man, it is me, men. Okay, let's see the next one. Hen. I'm gonna use my inner voice for these words and try. Hen, ten, wet, beg, geb, jet, meg, neg, pen, reg, seb. Let me circle few and try. Jet, ten, neg, pen. Great job. So we've been working on these series where we have done two different videos in the past, blending sound of A. Then we did the blending of middle sound of O. This is the blending of middle sound of E. I hope you like my video. If you like, please subscribe to my channel and do not forget to press the bell icon. I will see you guys soon. Bye-bye.